Do you love peanut butter and banana together? If you do, I'm going to show you an amazing smoothie that's full of protein and tastes amazing. Hi, I'm Kim Sleno and welcome to my channel, Survival to Thrival. I live with 2 autoimmune diseases, and so my goal is to thrive through health and lifestyle. And so today I'm going to show you a beautiful banana peanut butter smoothie. So let's get started. This smoothie is filled with protein, bananas, and I'm going to show you another option at the end. If you like if you like chocolate, you'll like this ending. Stay with me. So let's look at our ingredients. To start with, I have organic peanut butter that we'll be using. I have peanut butter flour, cinnamon, chia seeds, whey protein powder, creatine, this is 10 grams, collagen powder, this is hydrolyzed collagen powder, the peanut butter powder, a whole banana cut into slices, and this is one of the options of using frozen blueberries. And I have about just under a cup of yogurt. I'm using whole yogurt mixed with Rheumatica yogurt. I make both of these. These are all natural. So this is the start of our smoothie. Okay, let's get building. Let's start with yogurt, peanut butter powder, chia seeds, cinnamon, it's about a full tablespoon, a little bit heaping over, Ceylon cinnamon, hydrolyzed collagen, whey protein, this is a full scoop, so we got 25 grams of protein there, the peanut butter, so you can see it's a big heaping tablespoon of the peanut butter, I have 1 whole banana sliced up. I have about half a cup of frozen blueberries. Oh, I can't forget the creatine. This is 10 grams of creatine, which is really good for our muscles and our brain. I open it up so I can scrape down any of the whey powder that has stuck to the side. And here we've got a beautiful, thick banana, peanut butter, blueberry smoothie. Now, I did tell you I was going to give you an alternate ending. This is ganache. I normally have some in the fridge, and if you don't, just dark chocolate and cream. Fabulous taste. So you can see it's quite thick. I'm taking a large tablespoon heaped up, put it in here. So here we have the one with a little bit of chocolate in it. So we have peanut butter, yogurt, bananas, and chocolate, and of course all the other wonderful things, protein powders, etc., to make it very healthy, taste amazing. And we have this one that doesn't have the chocolate in it. That one's delicious. The chocolate's pretty good too. Thank you so much for watching. If you like, click the like, share. Thank you so much. Next video, we're going to get a little bit more into some of the exercises, and I've had one of my subscribers and a friend that wanted to know some shoulder exercises. So as many of you know, living with an autoimmune disease, we sometimes get frozen shoulders and they don't work. So I'll give you some exercises, so stick around and watch that. See you next time.